Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, September the 11th at Dollar General. I have a free scenario plus a moneymaker. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So before we get into the scenarios, I want to give a big shout out and congratulations to Debra Williams-Buss. She hit 1,000 subscribers yesterday on her YouTube channel, and I am so happy for her. So if you guys are not subscribed to her channel, go and check it out. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel linked down in the pinned comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in your app under the list feature to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, it's very important to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store, and even if you are 1 penny short of that $25 mark, it can throw off your whole scenario, so make sure you're scanning your items. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my Saturday scenarios. First, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. If you have a newer keypad, you will have to ask your cashier what your subtotal is. If you still have the older keypads in place, it will show your subtotal on the screen. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have the older keypads still in place, it will show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then, if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Keep in mind, this is very, very important. If your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can void the transaction and try again because the digital coupons will go directly back onto your account. And if you handed over any paper coupons, those will also work because the transaction was never completed. Now, once it's completed, you've lost your coupons. So definitely go ahead and hit that void button and try again. So in this week's scenarios, we are going to be taking advantage of some Fetch Rewards rebates. So if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend it, especially if you are a new couponer. This is the easiest rebate app out there and a great one to start off with. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So there's no adding anything onto your accounts or anything like that. Nothing to worry about there. Just take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points no matter what. So make sure that you go and sign up. If you want to use my referral code, it is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. If you use it, you will receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. So definitely go and check it out. Alright, so for this first scenario, we are going to be taking advantage of the instant savings on the Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex products. You'll instantly save $4 at the register when you spend $20. So in order for that to work out, you have to get your subtotal to $29 because that $4 will come off automatically. You still want your subtotal to be $25 so that 5 off $25 coupon will work. So I kind of hinted at this little deal in my last video if you watched that. So we're going to pick up one of the Cottonelle 12 count bath tissues at $5, one of the Scott 12 count bath tissue at $5, one of the Kleenex 3 counts for $4.50, and one of the Scott 6 count paper towels for $5.50. So there's our $20 in products right there for the instant savings deal. Then we're going to use that glitch on the Colgate toothpaste. We're going to pick up 3 Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.50. They are $1.75 each, but they are on sale 2 for $3. So that's where we get our $4.50. And not every one of them is exactly 6 ounces. That's just what I've put in these scenarios to kind of distinguish this Colgate toothpaste glitch to some other ones so that you'll know what I'm talking about. So next we want to pick up one of the Febreze warmers for $3 and 2 of the Airwick warmers for $3.30. They are $1.65 each. Your subtotal is going to be $31.04. Like I said, that $4 in instant savings will come off first at the register. That's going to bring your new subtotal to $27.04. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Cottonelle digital coupon, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue from the 8/15 Smart Source that does expire on Saturday, the 1 off 1 Kleenex digital coupon, the 5 off 3 Colgate digital coupon, the 3 off 1 Febreze warmer digital coupon, the 150 off 1 Airwick digital coupon, and another 150 off 1 Airwick digital coupon. So your subtotal after coupons will be $13.05 for all 10 items, and I think that's a great deal considering you are getting all of those paper products. So I do want to take a second and apologize that I didn't have time to take all of the pictures of the individual coupons. I am running very behind today, and I actually have a meeting in about 30 minutes, so we are really rushing through this, but I wanted to give you guys some deals for tomorrow anyways. But this deal gets a little bit better because we have some Fetch Rewards rebates. So check your Fetch Rewards app and see if you have these rebates. I have a 750 points back when you buy the Kleenex tissues and 1,000 points back when you purchase the Scott paper towels 6 count or larger. So if you have those two rebates on your accounts, you can submit your receipt to Fetch. You're going to get back $1.75. And that is going to make your final price $11.30 for 10 items, making each item just $1.13 each. So I think that is amazing. All right, so for this next deal, we have a little household scenario. So you want to pick up 2 of the Ajax dish soaps for $5.50. They are $2.75 each. 2 of the Febreze air fresheners at $6. They are $3 each. 1 of the Lysol multi-purpose sprays for $2. 1 of the Gain 24 count flings at $6.95. You could also substitute a different Gain laundry product if you choose to do that. Then you want to pick up 3 of those Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75. Again, $1.75 each, but they're on sale 2 for $3. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Febreze warmers at $3. Your subtotal will be $28.20. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the buy one, get one free for the Ajax or the Palmolive, the 3 off 2 for the Febreze, 50 cents off 1 Lysol product, 2 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 5 off 3 Colgate, and the 3 off 1 Febreze warmer. Your subtotal after coupons will be $6.95 for 10 items or just 69 cents each. All right, so for this next scenario, we have a food deal. So you want to pick up 3 of the Kellogg's cereals. They are on sale this week, 3 for $6. 2 of the Reese's bags of Ghost Notes for $6. They are $3 each. 4 of the Snickers brownie singles. They are 95 cents each, but they are on sale. Buy one, get one for free. So you're going to pick up 4. That's going to put you at $1.90. You're going to pick up 4 of the extra gums for $1 each. So that's $4. 1 of the Welch's Harvest Blend juices for $2. 2 of the Quaker Instant Oatmeals, 7 count for $4. Those are $2 each. And then we're going to throw in the 3 Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75 to take advantage of that overage. So your subtotal will be $28.65. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 2 Kellogg's cereal, the 3 off 6 Reese's DG store coupon, the 75 cents off 2 Snickers brownies, the buy 3 get 1 free Snickers DG store coupon, 1 off 2 extra gum, another 1 off 2 extra gum, 1 off 1 Welch's juice, the 2 off 2 Quaker products, that is a DG store coupon, and the 5 off 3 Colgate. So your subtotal after coupons will be $7.95 for 19 items, but it gets a little bit better. Since you purchased 4 of the extra gums in this transaction, that means you have completed your DG reward. So you're going to buy 4 and get 1 for 1 penny. So that's going to make your final price $7.96 for 20 items, making each item about 39 cents each, which is a great deal. And if you guys have never completed one of the DG rewards, it will show up on your account automatically. It'll show up in the saved folder. So next time you go into the store, pick up that extra pack of gum, type in your phone number, and you should be good to go. So next up, we have a personal care deal, and we are going to be taking advantage of the instant savings on the Dial products. So you spend $8 and you'll instantly save $2 at the register. That means our subtotal needs to be at least $27 for that $2 to come off. That way our 5 off 25 will still work. So for this scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Dial body washes at $8. They are $4 each. 1 of the Bic 12 count razors for $2.85. 3 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75. Again, $1.75 each, but they're on sale 2 for $3. 1 of the Poise pads that are priced at $5. 1 Axe 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for $4. 1 Axe deodorant 1.7 ounce for $2.50. 1 of the Febreze warmers. That's going to put your subtotal at $29.85. That $2 in instant savings will come off first at the register. That's going to put your new subtotal at $27.85. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you want that 5 off 25, the 1 off 2 Dial, the 2 off 1 Bic razors, the 5 off 3 Colgate, the 3 off 1 Poise, 150 off 1 Axe from the 9-5 Save Insert, 150 off 1 Axe digital coupon, the 2 off 6 Axe DG Store coupon, and the 3 off 1 Febreze warmer. Now, if you don't have that paper coupon, your subtotal will just be $1.50 more. But if you have that paper coupon, your subtotal will be $4.10 for 11 items, but it gets a little bit better, because you're going to check your Fetch Rewards app and see if you have these rebates available. So for me, I have 1,000 points back on the Axe deodorants and 2,500 points back on the Poise products. So that means you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, get back a total of $3.50. That's going to make your final price just 60 cents for 10 items, making each item just 6 cents each. Alright guys, and last but not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Airwick warmers for $3.30. They are $1.65 each. 1 of the Febreze warmers for $3. 1 of the Lysol products found in the dollar aisle. So we have wipes, toilet bowl cleaner, and multi-purpose cleaner that you can choose from. 1 of the Bic 12-count razors for $2.85. 1 of the Axe 1.7-ounce deodorants for $2.50. 3 of those Colgate toothpaste 6 ounces for $4.75. 2 of the Colgate 3-pack toothpaste for $8. They are $4 each. And 4 of the Snickers brownies for $1.90. Again, those are 95 cents each, but they are on sale. Buy one, get one for free. Your subtotal will be $27.30. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you want your 5 off 25, the 150 off 1 Airwick warmer, 150 off 1 Airwick, 50 cents off 1 Lysol product, 2 off 1 Bic razors, 150 off 1 Axe product, 5 off 3 Colgate, 6 off 2 Colgate, 75 cents off 2 Snickers brownies, and the buy 3 get 1 free Snickers DG store coupon. Your subtotal after coupons will be completely free, plus it's going to give you 40 cents in overage, so that should apply to your taxes. Now, if you wanted to add in another product, say you wanted to apply that overage to a gallon of milk or a loaf of bread or whatever it is that you may need this week, definitely go ahead and do that. Take advantage of that while we have it. But it gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get $1 back for purchasing that Axe deodorant. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $1.40 moneymaker. So how awesome is that? Now, I do want to take a second and stress to you guys that you need to go into your Fetch Rewards app, open it up, and see which rebates you have available to you, because not all accounts get the same rebates. Now, I have seen a lot of couponers this week that have this Axe 1,000 point rebate, but like I said, not all accounts. Some accounts may not have received that rebate. So definitely open your app up, see what you have before you go in and start making your plans for Dollar General on Saturday. And also read the fine print, because some of these rebates you can redeem multiple times. So it will have down there at the bottom underneath the picture and everything, it'll say you can redeem up to 3 times or 5 times or however many times. And then some of them will not say that they have multiple redemptions available. So that's a one-time use per account. So you can use that one time and it's done. So just make sure that you go in, open up your app, look through and see what you got, read the fine print, and make sure that you are good to go so that you don't have any surprises on Saturday. And also, if you guys have any questions about the Fetch Rewards app or any of the other rebate apps that I've talked about this week, or just couponing questions in general, don't be afraid to leave those down in the comment section below. That's what I'm here for. That's why I started this channel, was to help other people learn how to coupon and how to save money. So leave me some questions down below. Don't be afraid. We have a ton of awesome couponers in here that love to jump in, answer questions, and I so appreciate each and every one of you guys for being here. Now, for some exciting news. We have a new couponing movie coming out today, and I know that some of you guys have already heard about this because you all left me comments in previous videos. So I know that some of you guys are just as excited to watch this as I am. So this new movie is called Queen Pins. Like I said, it is coming out today in theaters, September the 10th. I think you can start streaming it on September the 30th on Paramount Plus, if I'm not mistaken. But like I said, this is called Queen Pins. It's based on a true story, and it looks like it is going to be hilarious. Kristen Bell's in it, and she is always so funny. So I'm going to leave the link to the movie premiere down in the pinned comment below. So go and check it out, and you guys let me know if you plan on going out this weekend and watching this movie. And just as a quick friendly reminder, don't forget I posted a couple of really great videos this week going over all of the awesome deals that are going on at Dollar General. I'm also going to leave those linked down in the pinned comment as well, just in case you need some more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios. And also, don't forget to go over and check out Debra Williams-Buss's YouTube channel. She's going to be uploading a video today with some more 5 off $25 scenarios for you guys. And I think she has one that's completely free plus some overage as well. So make sure you go over there and check her out and hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Now, before you go, y'all know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next one.